In this video, I will show you how to install TV4 Play on your Android TV. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to this channel for more important videos like this. If you have an Android TV and you want to install TV4 Play on the Android TV without Google Play Store or App Store, here's what you should do. Now, on your Android TV, after connecting to the internet, you're going to come to this application called Downloader, which is an application I use to search APKs, apps, and install them from the internet to my Android TV. So all you have to do is to launch the application. And now, before I forget, if you don't have this application on your Android TV, check the description of this video. There is a link there that's going to help you to get the application on your Android TV. It's very easy, and the application is very easy to use. So after getting that application on your Android TV, here's how the interface looks like, and this is how to use it. Once you're here, you just have to go ahead and type in the application you're searching for. So in this case, we're searching for TV4 Play. We're searching for the application TV4 Play. So you're just going to type in the name TV4 Play. Now, I want to tell you that the result that you search for depends on the right keyword you search. So for instance, you can type in TV4 Play, and to make it specific for better results, you're going to type something like TV4 Play for Android TV. So don't just type TV4 Play, type TV4 Play for Android TV. For the sake of time, I'm not going to type in all of that. So I'm just going to type in TV4 Play. But in your own case, I would like you to type TV4 Play for Android TV. So after typing that keyword, you're just going to go ahead and click on search. And once you searched, you're going to see the result page here depending on your smart TV or Android TV. And you're just going to try all of the options to see which one works well. So you see, here's the application icon. So you can scroll through all of them to see which option is going to work. Alright, so see which option is going to work for you. So in this case, we're just going to type, we're just going to take the first option, which is this, and then try it and see if we can use this to get the application to our Android TV. So as you click here, it's going to bring us to the web version of Google Play, and you can click on install and have the application straight away to your Android TV. Like and subscribe to the channel for more important videos like this.